Hi, Alberto. Thank you
Hello.
for joining
How are
us.
you doing?
I would like you to tell us a little bit about your company.
TiendaCPU is a group of enthusiastic and passionate people about technology. Everybody has a deep knowledge because they understand the products. We sell and trade all around Europe. And we also deliver the consumer products to the end customer.
You are a sponsor here at Reconnect 2022. Do you have any targets that you wish to achieve? What do you want to achieve?
It is our first year as a sponsor with a booth. Our target obviously is, as usual, to meet as many new clients or providers. Last year was an extremely successful event after COVID, and it was really good on the emotional side to meet old friends, but also to open new opportunities. So as far as objective-wise, to meet as many new clients and providers as well.
What do you think about the location here? Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it fantastic that we're on the beach?
It is a location that is a dream come true. Last year was in a hall. It was also a really good place. But I mean, it is a really nice place to meet people. It lightens the mood and then even gives you a little bit of creativity to think about business deals.
Inspiration, yes,
Yeah.
of course. Absolutely. What did you think of our networking assistants? Were they helpful to direct you towards new clients and
Extremely helpful. Last year, for me personally, not in the company. The company has been attending since I don't know when, but for me it was my first time, and they were really, really helpful, introducing everybody. Peggy, Sam, they made me feel at home, like from the day one, as soon as I arrived.
So do you think we will be seeing you next year
For
at Reconnect 2023?
For sure, we'll be here, and we'll be with even a bigger party with more people, for sure.
That is excellent. Thank you so much for your time. We have a sponsor here at Z Empire, which goes like this: Z Empire, where marketing equals to
Passion.
and sales, of course, because your targets are our targets. Thank you so much for
Thank
your
you so much.
time. It was a pleasure. Thank
Pleasure.
you.